So South Africa is one of the world's most biodiverse countries in terms of plant. We're probably fifth in the world. We have over 20,000, maybe 25,000 species. But very little work is being done on sequencing the genomes of these indigenous plants. Today, most of the expertise around plant genomics is sitting in the global north, and the sequencing of genomes is just generating data. What we really want to do is train local South Africans and Africans to be the brains working on our indigenous species. So with today's bioeconomy, you can start thinking of biodiversity as different minerals like raw gold or silver or diamonds, but we need the brains of scientists working on those species to extract that value. And so it's crucial government institutions support young South Africans to be researching and working in this field. So today's symposium was really bringing together world experts in plant genomics and genome evolution. And the idea was to connect them with local scientists working in genomics or in plants to understand where the cutting edge technology and science is happening. I was really happy to see a response from multiple disciplines being really interested in genomics and connecting it to their work, and also how excited a lot of young people got about potentially using these technologies in their work going forward.
So I think the symposium is an eye-opener. It makes you realize there's so much research going on around plant genetics. And my biggest takeaway is that there's a lot of opportunity to collaborate with international researchers and not duplicate resources when it comes to researching plant biodiversity.
I think if you're from an international community, I think it's important for you to know that there are incredible scientists in South Africa, and we're open to collaboration and looking to explore stronger links across the oceans. If you're a South African student or scientist, we have so much diversity, such depth here. You should be inspired and excited to go further and understand more about our plant species.
The symposium today has been really inspiring. I've learned so much from my colleagues here, and it's been really great to hear about the other types of work people are doing, particularly on the topic of polyploidy or whole genome duplication. It's great to see the type of work that people are doing in different parts of the world, all focused on the same sorts of questions, and we can all learn from each other in this way. Altogether, there are consequences for agriculture, there are consequences for forestry, consequences for conservation, and I think by collaborating together, we can all learn a lot more.
Well, I thoroughly enjoyed being at the symposium. One was learning about polyploidy and how common it is amongst other living organisms aside from plants. And also getting to understand how leading scientists in the world frame questions and go about doing their research.
I think a lot of the success of today was, it was not just a University of Pretoria event. We had a lot of regional participation from UJ, from WITS, from SANBI, from Diplomics. So a lot of people are engaged in this kind of discussion. And I hope this will be the first of many such events and discussions we have in the country.